going on the train? You going with us? You got a ticket? Where are you going to? What's your last name? Did you pay for this? What's your last name? Skaggs?
Oh, that's why you're getting on it.
Get everything? Bags and everything?
I hope so.
Good, good
If
job.
not, he goes to
We all hold it late.
I'll do that tomorrow, 8:37 a.m.
Same bad time, same bad shot. I won't be, but he will be.
Train is late, so keep track of it.
Yeah, keep track of it. Don't be showing up at the station early in the morning when you probably have to take a picture with him. Hey, you just made me sure. You came back here. I need to know what you're saying. Let's go.
2, 3, there we go.
Thanks,
This
lady.
is why the train is late. This is why I love the train so much.
Here she goes, number 6-3 now. Do you know how to tie your shoe, little one? Do you need the I got an instruction manual here for 40 on the train. I can get it for you. And number 6, one more. I'll miss you the most. Miss you the most. Oh, it's the kids! It's the little ones! Go ahead, I got it. Let the ladies, go ahead for you. Let the ladies up. Hi there.
Take care.
Merry Christmas to you.
Have a good trip.
Have yourself a Merry Christmas.